Here's how to use the first ibcway.com book. Learn English like a newborn to speak it like a native.
If you buy the 4 books, this is how they will appear on your tablet or phone.
You can switch pages seamlessly.
For some reason, you can zoom pages more easily on iPhone devices than Android devices.
All speaker pictures have sound.
Welcome to Learn English like a newborn to speak it like a native. The quickest way to get rid of your foreign accent in English.
This book contains 15 key conversations to help you get started.
Bob, I'm going to the mall. Do you need anything?
Thanks for the offer. I don't need anything for now, but I would mind going with you.
This book is like an accordion, loaded with YouTube links to help you practice.
What time is it?
If the videos are no longer there, we include keywords so you can find others.
When you're done, go back to your book easily.
Let's check out another video.
Most non-native speakers think that their accent will improve when they work on their pronunciation. And they're right.
For books. To finish with your English issues. Buy them for you, or someone you know who needs them.
Don't forget to subscribe, to encourage us, like, to give us visibility, and share, to help others. Thanks a million.